Benji, slow it down. I know you like riding on the train. Let me tell you a story of Asa Philip Randolph, who helped Pullman Porter get better working conditions on the train. Currently, Health Agency celebrating Black History Month.
Why we celebrate Black history? It enables adults and children to gain a broader understanding of Black history, going beyond racism and slavery to also spotlight Black achievement. Black history is an integral part of this country.
Asa Philip Randolph was born on April 15, 1889 in Crescent City, Florida. A. Philip Randolph was a labor leader, a civil rights activist who founded the nation's first major Black labor union, the Brotherhood of Sleeping Car Porters, in 1925. In the 1930s, his organization effort helped end both racial discrimination in the defense industry and segregation in U.S. armed forces. Randolph was also a principal organizer of the March on Washington in 1963, which paved the way for the passage of the Civil Rights Act following year. In the summer of 1925, Randolph received an invitation to speak to a group of porters from the Pullman Palace Car Company, a Chicago-based company that hired mainly African American to serve white passengers aboard its luxury railroad sleeping cars. Under Randolph's leadership, the BSCP became the first Black union to be granted a charter by the American Federation of Labor, AFL. In 1934, Congress amended the earlier Railway Labor Act to specifically cover workers in sleeping cars, making it legal for Pullman to fire members of the BSCP. After AFL merged with the Congress Industrial Organization in 1955, to form the AFL-CIO, Randolph joined the organization's executive council. He became one of its first two Black vice presidents in 1957. Negroes must be free in order to be equal, and they must be equal in order to be free. Men cannot win freedom unless they are winning equality. They cannot win equality unless they win freedom. A. Philip Randolph.